Well, lucky what came in today. Let's see. Ooh. My lighting sucks, but bear with me. Magnacut, made last month. Sweet. Ooh. Yeah, oh yeah, sticker. Ooh, it's a kind of grippy sticker. Cool. All right. So I had to give a video try of this. Pull out the Kaiser Snick here. Hopefully I don't cut the rag or the cloth. I probably am. Yeah, fine. Because I like microfiber cloth. It's really nice. Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh, yeah. I really, really like that. That's one of the selling points for me. Besides Magnacut. Magnacut. Okay. Oh. Yeah. That's definitely sharp. Oh yeah. I love the grip. That's nice. The jimping is all right, but yeah. All right. Let's see. I have a victim around here somewhere. String. Oh, this 18-degree edge is comparable to the 15-degree edge I have on my Kaiser Snick. That's nice. Right out of the box. I should have prepared. Aha! The classic. Oh, this is just fantastic. Oh, yeah. Okay. That is really, really sweet. Okay. Found my new favorite knife. Thanks a lot, Andrew. Yeah, I'm calling you out. That is just beautiful. Yeah, new pocket carry for a while. Oh, geez. Comes with the Ulti-clip. Yeah, that's nice. Oh. Okay, yep, all right. So, the TJ Schwarz Overland Sport.